365 days on a normal year and a 366 on a leap year, she will have a new pair of clothes and shoes in her home every single day.
Not at
No,
all.
every single. No. Her son is already planning an e-commerce website with her shoes. Let me tell you that. It's an insider
I'm very good at
information.
mix and match. I do anti-aging yoga. We are doing a class. Somebody tells me, "Chalo, let's do Surya Namaskars and do as many as you can." I'm ready for it.
Welcome to E Times and a Yoga Day special. So my first question is to Malaika. You are a yoga inspiration. So if we go back in time, how did it begin? When did your tryst with yoga begin? And how difficult was it in the beginning?
Oh, very difficult. I started some years, many years back, about 9 years back. Very tough, but I started with this girl who used to come and teach me, and slowly I started understanding and enjoying it and doing it regularly. And then unfortunately, she had to leave. She went abroad, so I kind of discontinued for a while, and then again I restarted, and then post that, Sarvesh came into my life, and now he is somebody who really inspires me to want to to be better at yoga and to just not give up.
Nice. Also, cut to 9 years later, you recently revealed that post-COVID, the recovery was pretty difficult, as in the workout was pretty difficult. So what kept you going? What kept you motivated?
Part of it was Sarvesh. He really did keep me motivated. He really did push me a lot because I think he could see that I was struggling, and we've had a lot of conversations as well. So I think somewhere we decided to do it together. He took it up as a challenge as well, and we said, okay, you know what? Let's just do this together, because I felt no matter what I was doing, it was just not translating, because I was just not able to push myself the way I was used to. So. And I think really I have to say, I have to thank Sarvesh for that, because he really pushed me. There was not a day, right from morning to waking me up. Waking in the sense I would get that message before going to sleep. I'll see you. Morning, he would be messaging me. He would be under my building waiting for me. I'm down. So yeah, I think he really extended himself, which he really didn't have to, but he really did. And I think that really made
I will do that 365 days on a normal year and 366 on a leap year. So
True.
I would the only day, and you won't believe it, Shivani, I say this, the only day I texted her saying, "Partner, I'm feeling a little unwell today." She messaged me in the evening, "Don't tell me you tested positive." I said, "Yes, I have tested positive."
Shit, yes.
Yeah, oh shit, yeah. Yeah, she's like, because you've never cancelled in the last 6 months. I have never missed a single day. And that day I messaged her saying, "Can we not do it today? Because I'm a little unwell." Evening, she called me. She's like, "Don't tell me you've tested positive." I'm like, "I have tested positive."
My next question is about this only to Sarvesh. So how would you describe Malaika's passion for yoga? You have been with her for a long time, and you've been the pushing force, it seems.
I would largely bucket it into the 3 Ds that I keep telling people that one must learn from her, which is dedication, discipline, and determination. Right? All three together. She's pretty much a personification of all three. A lot of people look at her, oh, what, she's amazing. She's got this amazing physique and a body and, flexibility and strength. But she works out 7 days a week, twice a day. Nobody sees that behind it. And she does have her biryanis on Sundays too, which is very different. But she does that. She's very consistent. A lot of people completely forget the word consistent while talking about hard work. I think that's the missing piece which she kind of fits into the puzzle. So Shivani, she will have, like I said, 365 days on a normal year and a 366 on a leap year. She will have a new pair of clothes and shoes in her home every single day.
Not at
No,
all.
every single. No. Her son is already planning an e-commerce website with her shoes. Let me
No.
tell you that. It's
I'm
a
very
it's
good
an
at
insider
I'm very good at
information.
mix and match.
All investors, if they are listening to this, Aran is planning to do that for as an e-commerce website for her shoes alone, and it's worth a lot. Let me tell you that.
Like you're an inspiration, but otherwise also like you're literally aging in reverse. I want to ask you, is there some anti-aging yoga that you do?
I do anti-aging yoga. We are doing a class.
Yeah.
Well,
But on a serious note,
no. See, yoga definitely
kind of.
has. Sorry?
Kind of,
Yes.
right? I mean, face yoga is
Face yoga.
the
We're
class.
doing face yoga,
Yeah.
which is excellent actually. Excellent for literally reversing aging. So yes, it really helps beautifully because the exercises that we do on our face yoga programs are specifically for that purpose. Of course, when you do yoga, there are certain asanas that literally help in restoring your youthfulness, or whether it's your skin elasticity, or whether it is hair texture. It really does do that. So coupled with a good diet, coupled with sleep, a good lifestyle, of course, all of that is very, very essential. But yes, there are certain asanas that if you do every single day, it makes a world of difference to your overall appearance. It really does.
so if you had to pick your 5 asanas in a day, which you do without fail, that would be?
Actually, give me to do Surya Namaskars and I'll do that all day. I mean, happily I will do that. There are so many asanas. Everybody has their own pick and favorite asanas to do. But I'm very happy if somebody tells me, chalo, let's do Surya Namaskars and do as many as you can. I'm ready for it because it's a full body workout. It literally takes care, and if you do it with the correct breath, then even better.
Right. My next question is like, you are so much into yoga, but then even Karina, your friend, is into yoga. And today Amrita has also put up a post saying that she wants to get into fitness, and she's tagged Sarvesh also in the post. So how is it like? Do you all work out together at any time? Do you all exchange tips or anything?
Of course we do, and that's something that we all are very passionate about. It's not like we love our food, we love our work that we do, we love our workouts, we love our fitness levels. So yes, these are things that we all discuss. We all motivate each other, we all push each other, we all help each other out. So even if somebody, for example, tomorrow my sister says, I don't have any company to work, and I'm like, no problem, I'll come and I'll work out with you today, and that goes with whether it's with Bebo or whoever. I mean, we all work out with each other. We help each other. We give each other workout routines, diet, our nutrition, etc. So yeah, I mean, that's something that we all really enjoy, and we keep motivating each other.
Also, when you're on a holiday, do you take a break from yoga?
I actually, I seldom do. Even when I'm traveling, I try to as much. Wherever I am, I try and find places to go to. I find classes where I can enroll and see and go and and be part of. So very seldom do I completely not do anything. Otherwise, it's just part and parcel of my life where I have to be doing some yoga every day.
I have to define fitness in one sentence, and for Sarvesh also, like for both of you all.
Sarvesh, define fitness in one sentence.
One sentence.
Yes.
It is a lifestyle.
You have borrowed this line from me, but it's okay.
Okay, I can give it to you. I can think of another one very quickly.
I mean, you saying it's a lifestyle. I think it's sometimes it's a way of life. It's your mental state of mind, and it's very important. Fitness doesn't just mean physical, just not just your body. fitness also entails mind as well. You have to have a fit mind to have a fit body, and vice versa. So don't just look at fitness as a body size, as a size, so to speak. It should be a full holistic approach.
Right. If you could share a bit about your diet, like lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Is it like you stick to timings or too healthy?
I'm very particular about timings. That's something which is very important in your life as well. Schedule. I'm somebody who follows a schedule. I'm somebody who sticks to a thing. Very rarely do I, for example, if I'm out or if then I move away from my or depart from my schedule. But otherwise, I follow my schedule every single day, which means I eat on time. I wake up on time. I sleep on time. I follow my I fast in the morning, and I follow my 3 meals that I have. So yes, so I'm very particular about timing. I'm very particular about following that routine. That's why it's called routine. And sometimes people get a little sick of routine, but routine in your life is essential, and it is very good.
You have inspired a nation literally with your fitness. But I want to know, is Arhan into fitness? Is he into yoga?
Well, yes, he's also now very into fitness. He's at that age where he wants to go to the gym and and build muscle. So he's at that age. But he also knows the importance of yoga because I keep telling it to him every single day. So yes, now he is slowly incorporating it in his workout as well, because I've told his trainer, I said he has to do a little bit of yoga because that is what will keep his body supple and flexible, etc. So yes, so it's very much part of his daily routine. He is also pretty obsessed with wanting to be fit, which I'm really glad about. So yeah.